In this video, we'll look at how to rename columns in pandas data frame. So first of all, let me import pandas as pd, and then tf is equal to pd.read.csv train.csv. So this data set is from Kaggle and its name is Titanic Machine Learning from Disaster. So let us have a glance over the data set. Okay, so we can see various columns like passenger ID, survived, P class, name, sex, age, save SP, pass, ticket, fare, cabin, and embark. So this is our data set. Okay, now what if I want to change the name of this column? From sex, I want to now substitute it as a gender. And what if I want to change this save SP and I want to rename it as siblings because it's creating confusion to me. So what will I do? I will write df dot rename, and then I will pass a dictionary which contains the name of the column right now and what I want to change it to, or what I want it to be renamed. Okay, so like I want to rename sex to gender and CSP to siblings. So what I will do, df dot rename, then give the input of the dictionary, and then access is equal to 1. Always remember, we know that if we want to make changes in column, or if we are talking about the column, then we give input access is equal to 1. So here access is equal to 1, that means we are talking about the column, and in place equal to true, so it will finalize the change in our data frame as well. Right, so let me run and have a look. Okay, now we can see that our columns are changed. uh, that save space siblings now and success now gender. Okay, now let me show you another method as well. So I run the data set again because now our column name is changed, and I'm passing a new method as well. So I need to take the original data set. So right now, what I will do now, I will just write tf is equal to tf dot rename and pass the dictionary again, and access is equal to 1 as we are talking about the columns. So here what's the difference, that first of all I use in place is equal to true. Now right now I'm just giving it equal to sign and not using in place equal to true. So if you don't want to write in place equal to true, or if I want some new data frame like df2, I want to give it a new data frame name as well, then I will type this tf2 is equal to tf dot rename the dictionary and access is equal to 1. Because if I'll give in place is equal to true, then there would be changes in the tf itself and I will lose the original data frame. So if I don't want to lose the original data frame, then I will use this method, and let's look. Okay, you can see the changes in the columns now. Alright, so these were the two methods by which you can rename columns.